Alright, we have a 24 YXZ here. We're doing a turbo kit on. Some guys are asking how we get the airbox out, so just show you real quick. We've already got it kind of disassembled. We'll get it out and then I'll kind of show you what we got going on. Tim's gonna reach in there and it's definitely tough. You gotta kind of twist it out, but it comes out. There you go. So both sides are off. You unbolt these, you take out the air filter and the cover. We have that stuff here. So here's the cover on the passenger side. You have to take out all the bolts and don't forget this bolt. There's a bolt right in the center of it. And then the filter will probably fall out, so that's a secondary filter. And then as far as the air filter, you'll just pull the cover and the air filter off. And there you go. That's how we get it out.